There's two ways that a day can begin. One, the snooze button is hit and the individual rolls back over and goes to sleep. Or the second way, where they get up and begin the morning routine. This sets the theme for the day of discipline or the lack thereof. So, if your alarm is set for 5 a.m., get up on the first sound of an alarm, period. Wake up and have a plan for your morning so that you know as soon as the day is over, you will have completed the things that will make yourself a better person. And in future series of videos, I'll be discussing what all these things could be for you. Although every person is different, so really it just depends on you. But I will be discussing some things that I think everyone should do in order to become a better person.